I am at the Chinatown night market in Bangkok and this is everything I ate under $7. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to go explore Chinatown. I'm also gonna see some local nearby spots. I'm just gonna walk around the city and take you all around it. Stay tuned and let's just eat. Oh wait, let me tell you what I did the day before. I mean, I know nobody cares, but I want to. So, I just went to Lumphini Park and I was just sitting around this lake, and it's not really a lake actually. Anyway, I was just looking at this bird and then I decided to journal my thoughts, and after journaling my thoughts, I was questioning all my life choices. Then I decided to act my age and take responsibility for everything in my life. Just kidding. I went out to party at Khaosan Road and spent a lot of money that same exact night. Okay, let's just get back to the video. Chinatown was like 4 kilometers away from my place, which is really far in real life. But I was in my fitness guru mode that night, so I decided to walk all the way. Also because I was surrounded by fit people. The area I was walking by was actually a mini market where you can find a lot of local food, especially noodle soups. Not gonna lie, I was really hungry. I wanted to try them, but I decided to walk towards the Chinatown market because I wanted to make a reel in Chinatown. Also this video, so I just kept walking and I reached a local market again. Then I spotted a cute little fruit shop, so I decided to give it a try because it was only for 20 Thai baht. Okay, I think I'm taking a shortcut. I just got some guava. I'm gonna have it on the way. I actually booked a grab bike because it has started drizzling a little bit. I don't want to get soaked before I even reach Chinatown, so let's just go there and maybe we'll come back walking because it's not really far. It's about 3.54 kilometers. I think if I eat a lot, then it's easy to walk. If you have ever been to Southeast Asia, you must have noticed that the people who drive the grab bikes are the most polite people on this entire planet. But the moment they start driving, they're a crazy person. I don't know if I should say this word on the internet, but you know what I mean. They just drive like we are in some championship and we are gonna lose by 10 seconds or something. More like 3 seconds. I don't understand the split personality. Not like I don't have 6 of them, but you know what I mean. Anyway, I reached Chinatown. I think that reached Chinatown. It's a food market basically. Let me show you. The rain has somewhat stopped and I just had my pad thai and I'm gonna go now explore other food. I was wrong, the rain has not stopped. I'm back in one of the other shops. I will want to eat inside because it's raining so bad outside. It's actually sweet. So I couldn't finish that one, so I ordered another one. This is my favorite Thai basil rice. I'm gonna cry now. I really need to find an ice cream, otherwise I'm gonna cry. Oh my god. Hi. Is this coconut ice cream?
Yes, coconut ice cream and banana, coconut ice cream and
Mango. Oh, okay. What do I want? Watermelon. Can I get one coconut banana?
Banana. Okay.
Yeah.
You know, to go.
To go, yeah. Yeah.
Ui, cho bác hả?
I am heading back to my hostel through a very dark alley. I am not gonna walk all the way because it's raining. The cab is very expensive, so I'm just gonna go to the nearest metro station and try to find the closest metro to my stay, and then I can walk. Wow, this area looks like it's shut, but I'll find something. Right where I said it looks shut, that's the MRT. This is the closest MRT to the Chinatown. I am just gonna go inside. I hope it's not closed. Oh, that's the ATM. Let's find the ticket counter. Oh, found it. Okay, listening to Carly Rae Jepsen is not helping me make the decision. Where am I going again? I think I'm going to Sukhumvit. Yeah. 32. Oh, okay. It's done. We are going to Sukhumvit, so we have to take platform number 2. I actually came to Sukhumvit to check out the nightlife, but then I'm like, tomorrow I have to leave Bangkok, so I better not be tired. So I'm leaving now. Okay. I have to go to... Where am I going? Here. Done. Came to Sukhumvit using the MRT line, but now I'm going by the BTS line towards my hostel, which is in Racha Thewi.
Attention please. Passengers are requested.
I think I have to exit from this way. Maybe. I have to cross this busy road. I just got back to my hostel and it was such a fun evening. Even though it was raining, I had such fun at Chinatown and I totally recommend it to everyone who is visiting Bangkok. That's a must do. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and share it with your friends in case they are traveling with you to Bangkok. Bye.
I think you would like this next video. Also, I think you really want to subscribe to my channel.